Have you ever wondered if you're actually doing well financially or if you're quietly falling behind? Maybe you see people your age traveling, buying new cars, renovating their homes, and you ask yourself, are they rich or am I just broke? Today, I'm going to reveal the real financial numbers of the average person, and I promise, some of them will shock you, not to scare you, but to wake you up. Let's begin with income, the money everyone earns but nobody talks about. The median worker makes around $52,000 per year before taxes, but after taxes, most people take home somewhere around $35,000 to $40,000. Now think about this. How many people do you know who spend like they earn double that? And this is where things get scary. Retirement savings. The median retirement balance in the US is $65,000, not per year, total. And 1 in 4 people have exactly $0 saved for retirement. Zero. If someone retires with $88,000 saved, they can safely withdraw about $3,500 per year. That's less than $300 per month. Can you live on $300 a month? Most people can't even pay their phone bill with that. Let's talk spending, because this is where most people lose control. The average household spends about $5,577 per month. That's $67,000 per year, which means the average family needs to earn even more just to break even. Add it up. $1,885 for housing, $691 on food, $900 plus for transportation, and the rest disappears into subscriptions, entertainment, debt payments. Most people aren't overspending on one big thing, they're overspending on everything. And credit card debt? It's a nightmare. The average household carries over $9,000 in credit card debt. At interest rates of 20% or more, that's like lighting hundreds of dollars on fire every single month. And then people wonder why they can't save. Here's the part nobody tells you. The average person isn't doing well financially. They're stressed, behind, and hoping that future them will somehow fix it. But here's the good news. Beating the average is easy. Not because the average person is dumb, but because the average person is overwhelmed, uneducated, and living on autopilot. If you can, save more than 6% of your income. Avoid credit card debt. Invest consistently and spend intentionally. You're already ahead of most people around you. Don't compare yourself to Instagram. Compare yourself to reality. And reality says this: the bar is low, your potential is high, and your financial future depends on the decisions you make today. If you want more videos like this, follow me, and let's build wealth the smart way.